guys, welcome to Social Profs. This is the second video on the chapter Mineral and Energy Resources. In this video, we'll be covering the topic Ferrous Minerals. Ferrous, as the name suggests, is iron. So, minerals that contain iron are under ferrous minerals. So, iron ore and manganese both contain some quantity of iron. So, they account for 3/4 of the total value of the production of all the metallic minerals. So, gold, copper, platinum, all the metallic minerals, the total value of production there is 3/4 of it is through the ferrous minerals. Now, iron ore. Iron ore is the backbone of any industry. Any country that has to develop needs good quantity of iron ore and good technology to mine it, extract it, and then use it in various industries. So iron ore is one of the most important minerals that can be found in any country. So India also has a lot of iron ore. It is found in two types of ores. One is magnetite and the other is hematite. So you have magnetite and hematite. Magnetite is a better type of ore because there is larger quantity of iron in it. So if you have 100 kgs of magnetite, almost 70 kgs of it is iron ore. And in hematite, it is slightly in terms of quality less because approximately 50 to 60% is your iron in it. So magnetite and hematite are the two different iron ores. Now, these ores are not found all over the country. They are distributed in unequally. So there will be belts. You have iron ore belts in India. So there are 4 belts. We'll discuss the 4 important belts that are there. One of the most important belt is the Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur and Tumkur belt. So it is in the North Karnataka region, this belt, you will have a lot of high quality hematite ore. So in this, almost all of this ore is exported, and specifically of this mine, Kundramurk mines. So Kundramurk mines, generally almost 100% of it is exported. So it is export quality ore, and it has a very high, one of the largest deposits in the world in these belt of Tumkur, Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur. Remember that it is in North Karnataka. Then we have another belt of Maharashtra Goa belt. So in this region you will see your Maharashtra Goa belt. In this you will see that the iron ore deposits are not of very high quality. So as such they are not exploited much. So this belt is there, iron ore is there, but we don't consistently mine this belt. Then we have another belt in the Odisha Jharkhand region. So this region you can see, this region you will have a lot of iron ore mines. This V-shaped belts will have a lot of iron ore mines. And most important is the Singhbhum district of Jharkhand. Here you have hematite ore. So this region of Jharkhand is really important. Singhbhum district, that is the important one here. And this is high grade hematite ores in this belt. So this here and here you will have high grade hematite ores. So hematite ores are generally, when they are exported in the slurry form. So you will have this as, they are transported as slurry. Slurry is basically a semi-solid mixture. So you will have water, you will have various constituents and make it semi-solid with hematite. Because it is easier to carry. Because of that, you have slurry as a mixture. Then we have another belt here, the Chandrapur Bastar Durg belt. Here it is in Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra, this region. So in this region also there is a belt which has very high grade hematite ore. So you will have Bailadila range in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. So in this region specifically, you have the Bastar district where you have very high grade hematite that is found. Then the properties for steel making are best in this because this contains that iron, and then these deposits are also huge in numbers. So these are the four belts. Number one in the North Karnataka, then in the North, in the Maharashtra and Goa region. Then we have in the Jharkhand and Orissa region. Then we have the Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh region. These are the four belts that we have here. So in that way, we have these four belts where you find iron ores. Then we have manganese. Manganese is the other ferrous mineral. So manganese has some properties and because of that it is used specifically for steel making. So to make alloys of steel and ferromanganese alloys. So for all them you need manganese. Then also it is used for paints. So this is one of the usages of manganese. And manganese is specifically found in this region of Odisha. So you will find that almost 40%, 30% of manganese in India is found in Odisha. Then you have some here in this Madhya Pradesh region, and then you have in this North Karnataka region as well. So you will find North Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and primarily Odisha. So this is where you will find manganese. So these are the two minerals, ferrous minerals, in which iron ore has four belts and manganese is found in three places of Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and North Karnataka. So this is all about ferrous minerals. In the next topic, we'll be discussing the non-ferrous minerals. Thank you so much.